know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's my birthday. Welcome to my birthday vlog. In today's video, I am 19 and we're just gonna like go along with the flow for a day long, okay? It is currently snowing and I gotta drive to school. My last day of school is tomorrow and I have my birthday dinner. So I'm geeked, period. I do have my gloves, but I hate wearing them with my nails, so disregard it. Now I'm gonna just show you. So I'm already late, but I don't care because I don't want to go anywhere. It's not for real. So my boyfriend came during my lunch, have some flowers.
And you don't need to speak up.
And I could have sworn this is the bag that I gave you, but I guess.
My mom had it.
Whatever.
I asked my mom if she had
Whatever.
I asked my mom if she had a gift basket, so she gave me that one.
Anywho.
See what you got.
I'm looking. Gosh.
What?
T-shirt. Yeah, it is. My bad. Oops. Hi, this is what my big boyfriend got. So, got a new clipper. Thanks, babe. Bye. Okay, Grandma, go.
So second. You ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
It's a safety hazard.
You're a safety hazard.
This video will give you orientation and the timing in our facilities.
Do they?
We will review the important basics you will need to know in order to come in and start firing.
Before entering our facility, whether
Food, period.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I'm
Alright, so I just got home, okay. Now I will be taking out my little washing bag that I got from my lovely parents. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. Okay, I'm ready. So I'm gonna take it out of my room, but that's just because, like, yeah. But I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, but yeah, I got my lashing bag. So. Hair flip. Oh. Thank you. that's pretty much the end of my video. Thank you for watching. I enjoyed my birthday. Good 10 out of 10. And that's all. That's a wrap. Cause you know tomorrow's another birthday.